So long division with a trinomial works just like long division with a binomial. The only difference here is now we have a squared term instead of just a linear x term. So to get started, we're going to want to get, again, this term right here to be just like this. So to get x squared to be like 5x to the power of 4, I'm going to need to multiply by 5. And then also by x to the power of 2, because that will give me 5x to the power of 4. So again, these two things should match up. 5x to the power of 4. Then this 5x squared is going to multiply by negative x. So minus 5x cubed. And then multiply that by the 2 as well to give me plus 10x squared. Then we're going to subtract. Those things are going to equal 0. Negative 4x cubed minus negative 5x cubed. That's the same thing as plus. So that's just going to give me x cubed. And then 3x squared minus 10x squared will give me a negative 7x squared. So now we are just going to go ahead and repeat the process after we bring down our x here. So plus x. So again, to get this to be like this now, I'm just going to multiply by an x, and then that will give me x cubed minus x squared plus 2x. Keep repeating this process. That will give me negative 7x squared minus negative x squared will give me negative 6x squared. This will give me a negative x because we're subtracting. And then lastly, we're going to bring down this negative 10. So once we bring down negative 10, we will have this. To get to that, we'll multiply by a negative 6. So we'll get negative 6x squared. That will give me a positive 6x. And that will give me a negative 12. I'm going to go ahead and subtract one last time. And I will get x minus 6x will give me negative 7x. And then that will give me a plus 2, because negative 10 minus negative 12. And so I have a remainder here of negative 7x plus 2. And so then we'll just put that on top here. So minus 7x plus 2 divided by x squared minus x plus 2. And so again, this works just the same way as we did when dividing using a binomial, but in this case, we're just starting with our x squared term.